Hello everyone, good evening. I am Ramanjanelu. Today I would like to share a small announcement about my project, that is the difference between organic and inorganic farming and its effects on soil, environment and human life. First of all, I would like to say a brief introduction about organic farming because we are all know about inorganic farming, that is chemical farming. Organic farming is a technique which involves the cultivation of plants and rearing of animals in the natural way. This process involves the biological materials and avoiding the synthetic substances to maintain the soil fertility and ecological balance, thereby to minimize the pollution and wastage. So, what kind of fertilizers involved in organic farming? There are mainly six kinds of fertilizers used in organic farming. They are animal manure, compost, rock phosphate, chicken litter, bone meal, and vermi compost. And also, what kind of pesticides are involved in organic farming? There are mainly three kinds of pesticides are used in organic farming. They are one Neemastra and second Nagnastra and third Brahmastra. So this is all about a brief introduction of organic farming and what kind of fertilizers and pesticides are used in organic farming. Coming to my project again, the main aim of the project is effects of organic and inorganic farming on soil, environment and why I am doing this project? Because we are all know organic farming is far better than inorganic farming in a theoretical way. But we can't see exactly what kind of changes or effects will occur in soil, environment and human. For example, the chemical properties of soil like soil pH, organic carbon, phosphate, nitrogen and boron. After finishing this project, we can see what exactly will occur in these chemical properties of soil. So that's why I am doing this project. Let's see what will happen in further conclusion of this project. Thanks for watching this video and bye.